We all like chips?
Yes.
Yes. Okay,
chips.
great. Okay. I think we can probably also all agree that one of the annoying things about chips is that it's hard to eat them without getting stuff all over you, right?
Well, yes and no. I have developed a method where I crunch all the chips in the bag and I pour them into my mouth.
That's disgusting.
Is it or is it genius?
No, because then doesn't it just get all over your face?
Not
and your
if you do it the way I do it.
And that means you can't
You funnel it.
Dude,
I don't share my chips.
I have seen you eat eggs. I don't want to see you eat crunchy chips. Like
Continue, Priya.
Yes.
Back to Priya.
So this is actually very fascinating because I think a Japanese company would agree with you, Ben. So Japanese company Koikea, they created one-handed chip bags. So here's how they look. So you rip off the top and then you pour the chips directly into your mouth. And
Look at
actually,
this. Yes.
Oh, I hate that you're right.
This is a great option if you don't like to share too, because who's going to want to share that bag of chips with you, right?
Okay, but the part of what
Look at the choking hazard on the far right. Right.
Yeah. That's why I crunch them up into little bits.
So how big are these chips?
So they're kind of like hickory stick style chips. They're like the potato sticks.
Those aren't chips.
Those are hickory sticks.
Okay.
All right.
Next,
just let it sink in. I was ahead of the curve on this one.
Feeling a little combative this morning.